Hi, and welcome to the tutorial video of the NK NutKase for iPads. To secure your iPad into the NutKase, simply slide the edge of the iPad into one side of the case, then gently push the other two corners and edges into place. It is simple and seamless to install your iPad. The NutKase is made from a slim, reinforced, shockproof TPU that allows for the embossing of your company or school logo. The double bumper corners guard your iPad from drops and dents, and the raised edges prevent the screen from cracking if dropped. The magnetic cover easily folds into two different standing modes and automatically puts your iPad to sleep when shut. The NutKase features a large, clear window for easy viewing of asset tags, as well as an ID card slot that fits a standard-sized business card. The NutKase leaves easy access to the camera, ports, speakers, and buttons in all standing modes and while closed. Open up your case and fold the cover inwards toward the iPad into a triangle shape. Then raise the iPad and rest it against the folded cover. Simply flip your iPad over to use in a comfortable typing position. When using the hand strap, simply fold the magnetic cover over twice so it lays comfortably and compactly on the back of your hand. The NutKase has been rigorously drop tested and complies with military drop test standards. And don't forget, all our cases always come with free custom logo embossing, a 10-year warranty, and free shipping.